You may have something you want to store for free from moisture, or you may want to chemically dry a liquid, thereby removing all of the water molecules from it. To do that, you will need a desiccant. A desiccant is a hygroscopic substance that is used to induce or sustain a state of dryness. Effectively, it sucks the water out of the air or liquid. We commonly use silica gel, which is found in some food packaging, handbags, clothes, and a whole bunch of other things. There are, in fact, many kinds of desiccants or drying agents, but today we will be preparing anhydrous magnesium sulfate. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay up to date. Magnesium sulfate, aka Epsom salt, is a common, cheap substance that can be found at most pharmacies, or the pharmacy section at most supermarkets. It is generally safe to handle and not harmful. It naturally exists at room temperature as magnesium sulfate heptahydrate, which is about 51% water by weight. It decomposes to lose all of its water at around 200 degrees Celsius, which is 392 degrees Fahrenheit. For this, you will need some Epsom salt, aluminum foil, an airtight jar, paper towels, rubber bands, and an oven. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we will use the aluminum foil to form the approximate shape that we want to use. This will make it smaller and easier to store. Make sure you use aluminum foil. It will not burn or catch fire at this temperature, and it is easy to remove the final product from it. Otherwise, it will stick to whatever you bake it in. Once the oven is preheated, you will put your Epsom salt in the oven to bake for 2 hours to ensure all of the water has been burned off. You can watch this while it bakes. It will bubble up, leaving a porous hollow cake at the end, which is very brittle. As soon as this cools, it will start sucking up water right away, though slowly. So it is important to get it into proper storage quickly to save for later use. Since more than half of the starting weight is water, we can expect that the dry product will absorb its own weight in water, which would be roughly the same volume of water as the finished dry product. If you want to keep a half-gallon or 2-liter container completely moisture-free, then I would recommend using at least 2 tablespoons or 30 milliliters by volume of this dry Epsom salt. To prevent it from getting powder or dust everywhere, I wrap it in paper towels and then I poke some holes in it. The dried Epsom salt will absorb the moisture through the paper towels. It will get all of the moisture in the air. You may think this looks a bit crude, and I agree, but it works. It is cheap. It is generally safe to handle. Please see the MSDS in the description for more information on that. It can be found at the local grocery store or pharmacy, so it is easy to find. You do not need to add anything to this in order for it to work. Just put it in the oven and then enjoy your finished product. I hope you found this informative. Please check back in the future for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.